Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we are unboxing the top selling foldable phone of 2021. That is the Galaxy Z Flip 3. At $1,000, there is no phone that can compare to this phone when it comes to wow factor and looks at this time. And I really don't think there's gonna be one this year. Maybe next year, we'll have to wait and see, but it really stands out. If you want to see not only the unboxing, but if you want to see how I'm going to speed it up, making it last 3 to 4 hours longer battery life, and the absolute best accessories to get for it, make sure to subscribe to check all of that out. Now, without further ado, let's unbox it, and then I'll give my first impressions once it's set up. So here we have it. It is a very tall phone. I feel like this is definitely taller than the last one. Just really long, but I like that. And I did get the purple two-tone. I believe my mom is going to end up taking this one from me, or my wife once she sees the color. But it looks really nice. I do like the two-tone. I wish Samsung would have had the white available. I didn't like the cream that much, but this nice purple really, I think, does a great job of showing off that two-tone. And just like the Fold, this is so like, it feels a lot easier, a lot less resistance once you get to about this much to be able to move it. But it is stiff to open. And then again, you can have it at any angle you want. So it's really nice and easy and definitely compact if you want to have a phone just like this. And that's it, in your pocket or purse, whatever. It just has everything you need. One thing I think that you won't get as much credit for too is that you have a fingerprint scanner on the power button. And quite frankly, I think it's the best fingerprint scanners that Samsung has to offer. I like it a lot better than their in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, as this turns on, I do kind of want to point out this screen protector built in on it. Samsung tells you not to take it off, but I will say that I find the same annoyance. You might not notice it till a while, till it gets a little bit dirty, a little bit, but you kind of have a cutout right at the camera at the top. Again, kind of hard to notice, but you have a cutout of the film, and I just wish you didn't have that there. But all right, so that is it. God, this is long. It is long. So 6.7, I mean, you're talking about as tall as like the Ultra, basically. Almost. And then we just have a standard USB in here. And I'm going to be using that to transfer over everything from my device. And paperwork. So that's it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and set this bad boy up and then tell you my first impressions after I take a few shots, use it for a little bit, and let you know what I think. All right guys, so now that I've had 2 days with it, I can really say that this phone is just really awesome and fun. It really is such a great phone to use day in and day out. Very nice screen, really big size, and folding it is just really great. For one, just having a little screen right there, you get really all the information you need. I find myself opening the phone less and less, just to be able to look at notifications, swipe them away, and swipe down to change brightness, or even change to put it on vibrate if you need to. That ability is really good. And then just double tapping it to take the best selfies of any smartphone by far, and a decent main camera overall. I really have to say I have enjoyed my time with it. It is just really nice. Now, I will say this is a first impressions, so in terms of battery life, it's been okay. I just did my setup at the end of the night to make sure that it goes much better with battery life for my tips and tricks video. So make sure to stay tuned, because this will improve the battery life at least 3 hours, and you're gonna want it with this phone. It has the smallest battery out of the S21 series. So being a flip, it is gonna be a smaller battery, but I think closing the screen can really help out for a lot of instances. Overall, I would say I would recommend it. The photo quality, like I said, is okay. It's not the best out there in low light. It's doing okay. Again, with the S21 cameras in there, I think it's gonna be good, but there is room for improvement, especially in the $1,000 price point. You can find better cameras but none of them did do all of this stuff. So take that with what you will. I think as an overall phone, it moves great, it feels great, and it's just that wow factor that really stands out. Even so, that both my mom and my brother really liked it just because it's something different. All right, guys, let me know how you feel about this phone. Do you like it, and do you want to see more videos on it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.